Hello children, in this video lecture we'll discuss chapter number 9 rational numbers and exercise 9.1. In the previous lecture we have discussed about the rational numbers and we have done the 3 questions of exercise 9.1. Now let's start question number 4. The question number 4 is draw the number line and represent the following rational numbers on it. Okay, what you have to do, you have to draw the number line and you have to represent the rational numbers on the number line. But you don't know how to represent the rational numbers on the number line. See how to represent. 3 upon 4. It means in between between every integers they have made 4 equal parts. Okay, it means from 0 to 1, 1 to 2 they have made 4 equal parts. So what you have to do to draw this, see how to draw this. You will draw with pencil and scale, okay, not with pen. Suppose this is 0 and these are yours. The distance should be equal. I am taking 1 centimeters distance. Now see how to draw these. 0. Next, what I was saying, if denominator is 4, it means from 0 to 1 they have taken 4 equal parts. They have taken 4 equal parts between 0 to 1. So from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be your 1. And what are these numbers in between them? It will be 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 4 and 1 is 4 upon 4. And 4 upon 4 is after cancelling, this is 1. Okay, this is how you will do the questions. So 3 upon 4 you have to represent the 3 upon 4, so circle it. So this is your answer. This is the representation of 3 upon 4. Now let's move to 5 upon 8. I have already drawn 5 upon 8. See the denominator. 8 means between 0 to 1, between every integers they have made how many parts? Equal, 8 equal parts. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 equal parts are there. So I have written 0 to 1 and 8 equal parts in between them, and I have drawn 1 upon 8, 2 upon 8, 3 upon 8, 4 upon 8, 5 upon 8, 6 upon 8, 7 upon 8 and 8 upon 8 will be your 1. Now you have to mark 5 upon 8, so this is your 5 upon 8. So hence this is your answer. And do third and fourth part yourself, both are same like first and second part. Now let's move to question number 5. This is the points P, Q, R, S, T, U, A and B on the number line are such that these are the points such that TR, this distance is equal to RS is equal to SU, and this distance AP is equal to PQ is equal to QP. All these distances are equal. They are asking name the rational numbers representing you have to write the name of the rational numbers representing P, Q, R and S. Now if you see it carefully, what they have done, between every two integers how many parts they have make? 1, 2, 3. They have made 3 parts. And here also between 2 and 3, these are integers. How many parts they have made? 1, 2, 3. They have made 3 parts. So between every integers they have made 3 equal parts. So from 0, let me make 3 parts. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3 equal parts. So how we'll do this? 0, then we'll write it like this: minus 1 upon 3, minus 2 upon 3. This will be minus 3 upon 3. Minus 3 upon 3 will be your minus 1. Then R will be your minus 4 upon 3. S will be your minus 5 upon 3. So they were saying represent R and S are minus 4 upon 3 and S is minus 5 upon 3. Similarly here also from 0 they have made 3 equal parts between every integer. So 0, then it will be 1 upon 3, 2 upon 3, 1 is 3 upon 3. Then again from 1 to 3, 3 equal parts. This will be your 4 upon 3, 5 upon 3 and 2 means 6 upon 3. 6 upon 3 means 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Then it will be your 7 upon 3 and it will be your 8 upon 3. Now 3 is 9 upon 3. But you have to represent only these two numbers, so I have represented that S represents your minus 5 upon 3, R represent minus 4 upon 3, P represents 7 upon 3 and Q represents 8 upon 3. So this is your answer. Now let's move to question number